Like,
Sir, 90 degrees, sir.
oh yeah. So in complementary angle, two angles were making 90 degree. In supplementary angle, two angles together will make 180 degree.
Okay, sir.
So can you make supplementary angle? Two angles will together make 180 degree.
The first 180.
Sir, can you?
Yeah, Rishit has already made two angles together makes 180 degree. So Rishit, can you say what are your angles? One angle, tell me the approximate how much it must be.
Sir, one is 180 and one is 90.
No, in your case, one is 90, another is also 90. Together it is 180. Almost, yeah. Siddhipriya is almost, one is 90, another is 90. Together it is 180.
180, sir.
9. Okay?
Sir,
Yeah.
this one is called a ray.
Yeah, very good. How did you know? Why is it called ray?
Because it starts from one side and goes endless.
Endless. Arrowhead means,
And this is a segment.
read it. Now it should be correct. Yeah.
26/7/22. Siddhant Y. 4th grade, section B. Vedanta Academy. To the principal, Vedanta Academy. Subject, request for TC. Respected sir, ma'am, I am studying in 4th grade in your school. I need to change my school as my father got transferred hereby. Please issue my TC. Thank you. Sincerely, Siddhant.
Yeah, very good, Siddhant. Show me it so that it's straight. Yeah. Academy to the principal. Subject, request for TC. Respected sir, ma'am, I am studying in 4th grade. Show me it so that it's straight. Yeah. Academy to the principal. Subject, request for TC. Respected sir, ma'am, I am studying in 4th grade.
30, sir.
Yeah. Or,
Okay. Sir, this.
very good, Shashwat. 30. 30. So we have to keep arranging the thing. Very good, Aman.
Sir.
Siddhant has also done. Very good. Parul, you have to make 30.
This is
Very good, Parul. Everybody has done.
Sir. Sir.
Yeah, because J cannot be divided into two equal parts. So Parul, can J be divided into two equal parts?
No, sir.
No, sir. So it's a asymmetrical. Board, what is that shape? How many sides are there?
Eight sides.
8 sides. So what is this? What we can call this shape as?
Octagon.
Octagon. And like you have done, we can divide it into like from center. So you can divide like this. This is two equal parts. We can
Sir, I'm done.
we can also divide it like this.
Sir, I'm done.
Show me.
Okay. Sir, but I'm not able to see you, sir.
Oh, you are seeing the whiteboard?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, we'll close the whiteboard. Okay,
Yeah,
now
now it's okay.
yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah, that is line of symmetry.
Single line.
Hmm.
Is it okay, sir?
You can also divide in that way also. Yeah, there are two way. Yeah. See,
Green.
the Priya has divided into another way. She has divided it horizontally. Priya, show me the 8 sides. I think your 8 sides are not equal.
So it's equal.
No, show me the first side.
First side,
Yeah. Show me from the top. Yeah. Show me.
top.
Yeah.
Second,
Yeah. See, first and second sides are not equal.
third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh.
No, you have 8 sides, but all
Yes,
the
sir.
8 sides are
1,
not equal.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah. So you have
In the
8
middle we
sides.
have one line.
Yeah, line of symmetry is dividing into 2 equal parts, but all of your 8 sides are not equal. See,
Also like that
we'll
only,
do more
sir.
about on circles on that.
Sir, mine also that only, sir.
What is in your, what is it? You consider outer circle, forget the
180,
inside circle.
170,
Now maybe the purpose is
160,
different.
150,
You have to see your
140.
protector.
Sir, sir, it is
Yeah,
the outer part is 0 to 360 and the inner part is 0 to 360. 180 to 0. It's just opposite.
okay, maybe it is for the, in one circle might be going 0 to 180 and one might be going 180 to 360. Is it that case?
No. One circle is going to 0 to 180 and
Yeah.
the inner circle is going to 0 to 180. Like it's opposite.
Okay. So that, yeah, they have made protected in that way so that it can be used in both way. You see the outside circle, don't confuse. Okay, we'll first do the basics, then we'll go into detail. So you can practice little more on angles and we'll come in the next class. So